Woo! I'm Cathy from Cathy's Chuckle Club. It's Fabulous Fun Friday again. Oh my gosh, join me today. Here we are on location at Wilkett Creek. We are going on a bike adventure down the Don Valley, the lower valley beside the river. Yup, taking my bike off the bike rack. Ha ha ha! Easier than said than done. Yup, some strength is involved. Yuppie doopie! Adventures! Ha ha ha! Yup! So on our ride, look what we found. This is Frisbee Golf. I think it's called Frisbee Golf. And so there's, I don't know how many, but there's platforms. We'll show you the platform where you stand to throw your Frisbee. And there's a couple of guys we might catch a Frisbee in action. Yoop. Maybe they'll get a hole in one. Is that what you call it? A disc in one. Oh my gosh, what fun. Yoop. The adventure continues. Oh, this is what I was talking about. So here's the tee is the cement platform, and this one has two baskets. I don't know if they all do. I guess we'll find out as we go along. Yeah, worth considerably more. The blue is worth like 90 points more. Yoop, if you get it right in. Yoop. So you just start there. Let's see from here. Da, 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 da. Imagine that I have a disc in hand, and you throw it. And you can see the basket just in the distance there. Oh, look at a hole in one, a disc in one. Youpee! Ha 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 ha! Ooh! Ha 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 ha! So here we are at the Don Valley and Pottery Road, and I don't know why they call it the Don Valley Parkway. Is it because a guy goes through a park, or is it because you're parked on the roadway? I don't know. If you're familiar with Toronto, if you're Toronto area, there's these beautiful artwork. So they look like giant teeth, like molars, and they serve a purpose. They're like a little wetland. There's some trees that you can see. Birds live there, and it helps to manage the water. And you can see there's a little bit of flow there, a little waterfall flow. Yoop! Ha ha ha! Yay! You don't know what you're going to find. Stay tuned to see where else we go. Ha ha ha! Ho ho ho! Oh my gosh, here we are on our bike ride, and you never know what you're going to find. Holy cow! Here we are underneath the Don Valley. This is the Bloor Viaduct, and you would never know that this amazing graffiti is under here. Like, look at, there's Garfield. Yoop! There's some incredible artists doing their work down here that nobody gets to see. But you get to see her here on the Fun Fab Friday. Look at here, Inspector Clouseau. Da 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 dun 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 dun. Yoop! Wow. Well, this looks like a pretty good lunch spot. Let's go get our lunch bag. Yoop! Handily attached to the back of my bike. Yep, we got a spot of a river view spot. Ah, so great. Bon appetit. Hee hee hee. We gotta go and look at those. That's pretty neat there. You may have heard of Crouching Tiger, Hidden Dragon. What about Crouching Tiger, Hidden Cathy? Oh, we're riding along and we found this outdoor art installation. It obviously wasn't just put here, it's concrete, but how cool. A dragon, a tiger, and a whole host of gargoyles. Look at this guy. He's going to cut some wood, but he's not very happy about it. Then you got these couple of guys on a break, taking our ease. Hey, Toronto, how fun. This is really fun. Oh, it looks like this guy fell over and he can't get up. He's startled about it. Hey, what about this lady? Big hands. Is that a lute? Plink, 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 plink. So while our bikes are taking a break here, Mr. Nesbitt has gone to get us a nice, well-deserved sweet treat. Nice and cool ice cream, I believe. Look at this guy come to visit. Yoop. Here he comes, here he comes. Look at that. Yum, yum, yum. Mmm. Ice cream, you scream. We're all screaming. Yum, yum, yum. Okay, she's recording. Say hi, Mr. Nesbitt.
Hi, Mr. Nesbitt.
There it is. La 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 la. We crossed a lot of bridges during our journey, our bike journey today, across the Don many times. And this one, like so many different varieties of bridges, this one has concrete. And look at this one up here, a beautiful old steel bridge. It looks like a train bridge, I think. Probably when you're on the bridge, you don't think it looks like that. Wow. Oh my gosh, what fun. What a great day. Riding along the Don. Yoop! And then we came across this stone structure and I thought, what a great spot to end this week's episode. I hope you enjoyed our little trip down the Don River. Yoop! On the trail, on the bike ride. Yoop! Yoop, yoop, yoop. I'm gonna flock off. All right. See you next week. Thanks for tuning in. I really appreciate you.